Very good morning to all. Today we are going to start the chapter The Thieves Who Could Not Stop Sneezing. It is written by Thomas Hardy. Thomas Hardy's short story is The Thieves Who Could Not Stop Sneezing. There is one main character in this story, that is Hubbard. We barely get any description of the physical features of Hubbard. However, what we do find out is he is a 14 years old boy, a yeoman's son with a horse named Jerry. All of them resided in Wessex. A man darted from the thicket. Another man and another. These three quotes, all from the same paragraph, tell us that there are in total 3 robbers. Yet again, there is a very little detail about any of the 3 robbers. 2 descriptions of the few criminals, 3 states that their faces are artificially blackened, and at least one of them had a deep voice. In this story, this is a far-fetched, slightly unrealistic short story, where good prevails in the end. Hubert and his horse Jerry get attacked on their way home from a small town, which was several miles from his home. It was that moment, in the most likely of places, that Hubbard gets bound up and the unknown robbers take Jerry. By some lucky coincidence, Hubbard was able to retrieve his legs from the bonds and is then capable of walking freely. Even though Hubbard was lost in the area, he stumbled upon a mansion in the dark wooded area. Entering the place, he found a banquet arranged on a long table, but no one was there eating the various foods. Strangely, Hubbard heard a deep voice similar to that of one of the robbers. See, more and more snuff is continually blown into the cupboard, with the sneezing increasing in magnitude until eventually a robber yells mercy. Collecting weapons and aligning themselves in front of the cupboard, the lords and ladies watch the robbers surrender and tell Hubbard where Jerry is. Jerry is found in the precise place the robbers set. As a gift of gratitude, Hubbard is given the best room in the mansion to sleep in. However, Hubbard declines and rides off safely home. This short story is written about a 7-hour period in Hubbard's life, and within the time a lot happens, all of it being briefly described in order to ensure it stays as a short story. It is a fast-paced story and very entertaining to read. So, the plot of this story is almost as ridiculous. Thank you so much.